As anticipation builds for Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone, tech enthusiasts are abuzz with excitement over recent leaks hinting at potential specifications for the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. These leaks offer enticing glimpses into what could be Samsung's most advanced device to date, promising groundbreaking advancements in processing power, camera technology, display capabilities, design aesthetics, and more. The rumored specifications suggest several key enhancements. 1. Upgraded processor. Speculations indicate a significant boost in processing power, likely driven by the latest Exynos or Snapdragon chipset. 2. Revolutionary camera technology. Leaked information suggests remarkable advancements in camera technology, including improved sensor capabilities, enhanced zoom functionality, and revolutionary computational photography features. 3. Innovative display enhancements. Rumors point to Samsung pushing the boundaries of display technology with potential higher resolutions, faster refresh rates, and innovative new display features. 4. Elegant design and build. Leaks hint at Samsung continuing its tradition of design excellence, possibly introducing a sleeker, more refined aesthetic and premium materials. 5. Extended battery life. Anticipated improvements in battery technology could result in longer usage periods without needing to recharge. 6. Cutting-edge connectivity. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to support the latest connectivity standards, including 5G, ensuring users have access to fast and reliable network speeds. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.